Hey guys, I'm Instructor Phillipson, your instructor for both HM3310 and HM3150. And I wanted to personally welcome you to the class. I'm very excited to work with you this term. Please make sure to log in regularly, and each time you log in, it's a good idea to go here to the news updates for your instructor, because I'm going to post a lot of information there about deadlines and tips for success and things like that. If you do have questions, you can post them here in the Ask Questions About the Course. But I'd also like to point out that within each week of the course, at the very bottom, you'll see there's a questions or comments here. So if you have something specific to a given week, you're welcome to post it there as well. Please make sure to take some time to review this APA tutorial and also this copyright video. Those things will be very helpful for you. And please note that we have quite a few activities in this class. Generally, you're going to have 2 discussion questions each week, and your initial initial post is due on Thursday, and then your 2 reply posts are due on Sunday. So it's really important to submit those on time. Any late submissions aren't eligible for credit, and I really want to give you credit for the work that you're doing. There are also several items called KTWs, know the words. Those will help you prepare for assignments and really help you master some of the language that we use in healthcare administration. This will be a little bit different in your final week. Your DQs will help you really get practice at writing, but then here in week 4, you'll notice that we have a specific individual assignment that you will turn in. It's a written assignment, so there are instructions here for you, a lot of tools to help you understand how to write a paper that is academic in nature. And of course, I'm always here to help answer your questions. Thanks, and I look forward to a great term with you.